Okay.
What's this?
That is hand wash.
Wow.
Yeah. So now, when you're going to wash your hands in the toilet, you just press on that, okay?
Yes,
Yes.
like this.
Yes.
And there is soap.
Yes.
When you're washing your hands.
Okay, that's for your bathroom.
Yes.
And there's another one for mine. Have you seen it?
Yes.
For my bathroom?
This is for yours.
Okay. Also, that's a dishwasher.
Wow.
Yes. Put it down. Do you wash dishes?
Yes, me too. I wash. There is something inside. Maybe this one had the same.
Yes. The one is for my bathroom, the other one is for your bathroom. Okay?
Let me first put it.
No, leave it there. Leave it there. Hold on. It's okay. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
What's this?
That's my soap.
Soap?
Bathing soap.
You will take it from your bathroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Put it here. Then go ahead next.
Next is that.
What's this?
Uh-oh, that's for washing dishes also. Okay, so for washing dishes, you use this together with the other and you wash dishes.
Okay. What's this?
What's that?
Mm?
What's that?
Oh, bleach.
Oh, bleach. So you show it, Mama. Show it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Good. What else? Do you know what Omo bleach does?
Yes. What's this?
Let me see. Let me see. Put it out.
What's this?
That's sunlight. It is for cleaning.
The message.
You're cleaning the messes.
Yes. What's this?
That is Omo detergent. For washing clothes, soaking them. This one is for cleaning toilets. Okay?
What's this?
What is that?
Bleach also.
Omo bleach also. Remember what Omo bleach does?
Yes.
What does it do?
Now all of the things are over.
Yeah, over.
Pepe.
Okay. Which of all these things is your favorite?
Yay!
Which is your favorite?
This and 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 this and
So
this.
everything is your favorite?
Yay!
Okay. Show me Omo bleach again. What does it do?
Washing clothes.
Cleaning the toilet.
Cleaning the toilet.
Cleaning the tiles. Okay? Repeat after me. Tiles.
No.
Surfaces.
No.
Sinks.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
What else does it do?
Nothing.
It brightens them, mama.
No.
Telephone stands.
No.
Dirt on your hands.
No.
Gives a fresh what?
No.
Fragrance.
No.
Sure.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, you take them to the kitchen one by one. Take one. Take one of the Omo bleachers to your bathroom.
My bathroom?
Together with your hand wash. First go down. First go down.
Oh, I need to do susu.
What? I said you're going to the bathroom.
But I want to do susu.
Okay, run to your potty, run.